Welcome to INS Creations Ltd, your one-stop destination for everything creative and design related. Whether you are a beginner looking to enhance your skill or a professional seeking fresh ideas, we have got you covered. In today's video, I will show you how to design an eye-catchy flyer using Canva, one of the easiest and most user-friendly tools for designer for all levels. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future design tips and tutorials. By the end of this video, you will be able to create something just like this, step by step. So let's get started. After create a page for a flyer design, let's go to the element and let's take this rectangle shape. Adjust it all over the upper section of the page, change the color in light brown, and now take a text box and type menu. Change the font style. Let's take this font style and make the font color in white. Then take another text box and type special. Make it smaller, and now go to the calligraphy font and let's change the font style. Change the color. Go to the effect and give it an effect. Change the color again. Now change the effect to okay. Now from the element, let's take a search irregular frame. Let's take this round frame and adjust the picture with it. Keep it as it is for now. Let's take a text box and type appetizers. Change the font style. Take another text box and type dessert. And take another text box, type main course. Now let's take this rectangle shape and adjust it behind the text. Change the color. Place the shape behind the every text. Make them corner round. Select all the upper things and now let's take a rectangle frame and change the upper frame. Take a text box and type name of the food. Change the font. Now paste the dummy text under the name of the food. Now from the element, take a line and make the line weight 1. Take a text box and type the price of the food. Now select all the item and paste it like this. Let's change the positions. Paste a rectangle frame beside appetizer and change the photo with the food picture. Now adjust the text width. Now from the element, let's search a food picture. Let's take this food picture and board, make it smaller and remove the background. Let's take this rectangle shape, change the color. Make the frame corner round, give them a border. Take a text box and type special set menu. Type the text here too, like before. From the element, let's take a food background, take it and adjust it all over the picture and make it behind all of the element and keep the transparency low. Now again search your food pictures. Let's take this lips picture and adjust it behind the boards. From the edit, make it blur. From the element, let's take this food picture. Is the picture right here and adjust the things. Now take a rectangle shape and adjust it on the lower section of the page. From the element, let's take this home delivery icon and adjust it over the shape we took. For a lower part, take another text box and type the text of call for home delivery. Change the font color in white. Take another text box and type the phone number. Again, take a line from the elements and change the color in white and give the position in 90 and press shift and make it smaller. Adjust it here and make the line weight 1. Let's take another text box and type the address. And type the website too. And from the elements, search a food logo. Let's take this and take a text box and type the brunch story, name of the restaurant, adjust it middle of the shape, make it a group and adjust it on the right corner of the page. Now adjust all the things. Here it's a food menu design or a food menu flyer for a restaurant or a cafe. If you need this kind of design or any other design you need, like brochure design, logo design, annual report card presentation, pitch decks, or any custom design, you can contact with us. Our contact details attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.